unbelievable cells and lacing, and you will not believe the simple recipe to create them. Paint and water, guys. Paint and water. And oh my, I just can't get over the gorgeous cells and that stunning yellow lacing. Gorgeous. I love the clusters of cells here. The pattern is absolutely stunning. Look at those gorgeous formed, beautiful wavy lines. I love the clusters and the small and large cells here. Again, another great section. I love every section in here. Absolutely love it. I do love these small, narrow canvases. It's kind of weird for me to paint on small canvases now, because ever since the top of the year, when I said I was going to be painting on a much larger canvases, I have been. But this is absolutely stunning, guys. Like, look at the sides there. And you know I love my sides. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And again, you can put it vertical or horizontal. It's just stunning. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, appreciate it, subscribe, and definitely comment. Again, paint and water. I've said it 1,000 times in the last year or more. You really don't need a bunch of additives to get cells. The right consistency, layered the right way, which is key, as well as with the right paints. And I'm definitely going to be doing this on a larger canvas, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I will see you all in the next pour or painting.